Hello world, this is Coco Martech, and in this video we are going to unbox one of the most popular budget smartphones as of 2019, which is the Realme C2. I also did an unboxing of the Realme 3, which is a higher version of the C2. So if you're interested with that, I will be putting the link down in the description below. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and click on the bell button to get notified for new videos. So for the Realme C2, we have two color variants, the Diamond Black and the Diamond Blue. We have now is the Diamond Blue, and we have the 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. You can also upgrade the specs to 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage. What's nice about the Realme C2 is it has a powerful processor for its price. So it has the MediaTek Helio P22, which is the same as the Vivo Y15. I did an unboxing in one of my videos. So that price is 10,999. Comparing this one for just 4,990, diba? It's almost half the price of the Vivo Y15. So right now, tanggalin na natin yung plastic using my scissors. Yung Realme pala is a sub-brand before of Oppo. Well, sub-brand pa rin siya ng Oppo. Galing siya sa Oppo. So, ginawa kasi ng Oppo, gumawa siya ng another brand para may kalaban dun sa Huawei. If you're familiar with Honor, ganun ginawa ng Huawei. Gumawa siya ng sub-brand na Honor para sa mga mas affordable smartphones. And hindi lang affordable pero maganda pa rin yung processors. So ganun din yung ginawa ng strategy ng Oppo. So for the box, we have the Realme C2 in the front and just a logo at the top. And sa sides, you have the Realme C2 naming or branding. Sa baba, may QR code ka lang. I think this is for the information of the phone. And at the back, you have a gray colored surface na may about detailed information about the phone na nakuha mo. So, open na natin siya. And gustong-gusto ko talaga yung box kasi very clean. Although yellow siya and hindi ako masyadong fan ng yellow, maganda yung color combination ng yellow and ng gray. So, upon opening the box, we have a message here. Hey, welcome to the Realme family by Realme. So, meron kang box dito. And this is for the... Oh, wala siyang jelly case. Dun kasi sa Realme 3, meron jelly case. And meron kang SIM ejector tool. Then, quick start guide and important information guide. So, hindi naman natin babasahin yan. Medyo nagulat ako na walang jelly case. Pero sa bagay, 4,990 lang naman yung price. So, tabi na natin to. Next is, we have the phone itself, which is the Realme C2. Tabi muna natin. So we have a cardboard, and we have the power brick and the micro USB cable. Di naman tayo nag-expect ng USB Type-C since yung Realme 3 is micro USB rin. So nag-expect na rin ako ng micro USB. So balik na natin yung ibang gamit sa box. Buksan naman natin tong phone. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. Ayan. So, satisfying. Ingat lang na hindi mo mabaksak yung phone. So, sa likod, it's a diamond blue. So, for the price, ang ganda ng design niya and yung build niya. Although it's made from plastic, hindi siya magiging fingerprint magnet. And at the top, you have a triple camera setup din. Parang sa Realme 3, pero we're going to make a different video for the full review and the camera review. Sa sides, at the right side of the phone, you have a power button since hindi rin siya masyadong kita kasi nagbe-blend. Pero nandun sa right yung power button. At the left side, you have the volume rocker and the SIM card tray. At the top, wala. At the bottom, you have the bottom firing speakers, the micro USB port, and the headphone jack. So, open na natin yung phone. Realme powered by Android. At the front, you also have a water drop notch style. Ito yung mga usual na nuts na nasa market ngayon. And meron kang parang speakers sa taas. So, I'm not sure kung speakers talaga siya or for calling. So, select language. Next is the regional options. So, Philippines. Then, connect to Wi-Fi. Connect lang tayo saglit sa Wi-Fi. And what's nice about the budget phones ngayon is gumaganda lahat. So ika nga, flagship phones aren't getting cheaper but cheaper phones are getting better. So lately medyo nababago yung perspective ko na kailangan parati ng flagship phone, ganun. Pero sa ngayon, sobrang ganda na ng mga budget smartphones na hindi mo na kailangan, hindi ka na mag-crave ng flagship phones. Comment down below if you agree with that. So connected na tayo sa Wi-Fi. So terms of use, meron ditong join experience project. We will collect information about your usage. Sige, continue na lang. So checking for updates. So if you've watched the Realme 3 unboxing and initial setup, medyo familiar yung pag-setup niya since Scholar OS din naman siya. Sign in with Google, skip, Google services, accept. So face and passcode. O nga no, wala pala siyang fingerprint sensor. Yun pala yung difference din niya. Although meron siyang face unlock, pero of course it's not a 3D mapping facial unlock recognition like from iPhone. So gumagamit ng picture ng tao. I think we will also try to use yung picture ko lang mismo kung tatapat natin kung mabubuksan yung phone. So sige, try natin yung face unlock. So enter passcode. So meron na akong usual passcode. Also, ano ba mas prefer nyo? Facial recognition or yung fingerprint scanner? Fingerprint sensor scanner. So enroll facial info. For best results, keep the device 20 to 50 centimeters from your face and avoid surroundings that are too bright or too dim while enrolling. So mukhang di naman ganun dito. So keep your face displayed in the circle until the enrollment is done. So itatapat nyo lang ng ganyan para ma-recognize yung face nyo. So again, meron din isang ditong prompt. Yung turn on, raise to turn on screen is recommended to facilitate the use of recognition. I think ito yung option sa settings na yung directly mabubukas yung phone gamit lang yung face. Wi-Fi assistant, software updates, turn off na lang muna natin. Then import data, set as new Realme phone. So again, parang sa Realme 3, meron ka options na may mga suggestions yung phone na pwede mong i-install na apps. Huwag na nating install. Tayo na lang mag-install for the full review. Yan. So, welcome to Color OS 6. So, start experiencing. Ang ganda ng screen niya. Again, for considering na 4,990 lang siya, ito na makapapakita niya. Hindi ko in-expect na ganun kaganda. Wow. I am amazed. And yung Color OS, again, meron kang up drawer na swipe pataas for the apps. And yung sa right and left. Sa left, I think this is a smart assistant. Yan. Sa right, indun yung mga apps. Initial impressions ko, gusto ko yung phone. Although meron kang malaking notch sa baba, hindi naman siya masyadong bothersome. Kasi ang ganda ng screen niya, considering again for the price of 4,990 lang, diba? Of course, 16 gigs of RAM lang ting phone, pero you can upgrade up to 32. And pwede mo pang upgrade yung storage mo using a micro SD card up to 256 gigs of storage. Diba sobrang sulit niya na? So I understand kung bakit gusto ng mga tao yung Realme 3 and Realme C2. Yung Realme 3 Pro kasi medyo mahal na siya, around I think 14,000 na. Pero yung Realme 3 and C2 sobrang sulit siya, promise. So I'll be doing a separate video for the full review and the camera test of the phone, since this is just an unboxing and first impressions of the phone. And first impressions, sobrang sulit talaga siya. Pero let's see kung okay pa rin yung processor niya when testing games and other apps. And kung okay din yung battery. So stay tuned for the full review and camera test. And let me know down in the comments below kung what do you think about the phone, kung ganito rin ba yung phone mo, or ganito rin ba yung hinahanap mong phone, and kung ito yung hinahanap mong phone, bakit ito yung nagustuhan mong phone. So that's it for this video. My name is Coco Martek, and thank you for watching.